In this video, we'll go over how to export data within Shape software.
You'll want to go to a record type that you want to work. In this example, I'll go to my leads. Make sure you reset. Click the reset button up here to reset your data. Next, you can choose which columns you want to display here. And once you've checked all the columns that you want to display here in your list, make sure you apply the changes. If you need to set any filters on your list as well, you can come up here and select filters. And we support all these different filters in here. For this demo, we'll do refinance. And when I review my results, you'll see all my data here, all the columns that I want, and we're ready to export this list. So once you're ready, make sure to click on the export button at the top, and this will export your data here in this list as a CSV file. Your export has been initiated, and then we can go view it in the export report. It gives you the number of records and also where the list is. And we can see here it is in progress. This is a useful tool if you want to export your data to another system.
If you have any other questions on exporting data in Shape software, please email support@setshape.com.